There, sunshine. So today I have an ELB Customs Design box to unbox with you guys. So basically this is a legging and accessory subscription box. In each box you get a custom drawstring bag and 2 pairs of leggings. I was so excited to learn about Essential Leggings Boutique because they offer plus size leggings. Right now they offer from sizes 2 to 18, but they're working on expanding up to size 26. And when I saw the leggings, I was like, oh my goodness gracious. Now, I was a little bit worried because I was like, okay, now a lot of brands were like, yeah, we offer up to size 18, but when they get to the plus sizes, the leggings start to stretch out and turn white and are like super see-through. I was pleasantly surprised with these leggings because they weren't as see-through as I was expecting them to be. I love the waistband on these leggings. They go up so high and I feel like they sucked me in, and I felt good in these leggings. They were a bit see-through. I'm wearing black underwear underneath of my leggings, but you can definitely see like where my underwear hits on my body. But I felt like with black underwear and like a longer tank top, it really honestly did not bother me. Plus, I felt like these were so cute. They were super stretchy. Most of all, I was very impressed with like the quality of the material. Like, I loved how soft it felt. And I've been wearing these for a little bit just to test them out before I uploaded this, and I have not had any problems with the leggings like in between my thighs rubbing. I haven't had problems with it like pilling. I haven't had problems with it tearing or wearing down. This pair is even less see-through than the Diamond Galaxy pair that I just showed you guys. I felt like such a freaking cutie in these. Like, I don't know. I was just like so way more impressed than I really thought I was going to be, in all honesty. ELB also offers some like fitness. They offer wallets and bottles and fitness supplies and t-shirts and stuff for kids. So they really have a lot. And with that, I was like, okay, let's see how your plus size options are. And I'm like, wow, I've never tried LuLaRoe, or is that how, I don't know how you say it. I've never tried Fabletics. I've considered trying it, but now that I'm starting to be more active, I'm gonna get 2 pairs of leggings every month, and I can't wait to see like the custom designs that come in each box. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video.